travel through the mountains, walking through this wasteland. My eyes are fixed on the horizon, holding on to what I am. All alone out in this world, through the darkness I descend. My eyes are fixed on the horizon, pushing onwards to the end.
Hey, you got mad fun. Run the rhythm. Shut up. Sort your face out. Hey yo. Hey, you got mad fun. Run the rhythm. Shut up. I ain't done yet.
Describe that again, real quick.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Yo, what is up, everybody? Good day, good afternoon, good morning, maybe. Who knows? Glad to see you all. How's it going today? Welcome to the stream. Yo, Boki, what's up, man? Dude, we just started. We were right on time. There's one thing I want to alter very quickly here. Is this guy down here there? How we doing today? Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. Happy August, honestly. It's crazy. Already August. Still want to make the time down here a tad bit bigger. Felt like it looked too small, right? Yeah, there we go. It's really bothering me. I was just looking at that and I was like, oh, way too small. All right, now, sorry. And there we go. Yo, set up Trello yesterday. Love it. I'll try Notion 2 in the near future. Awesome, Bookie. Yeah, we I guess we could have tried Notion. We might be able to change over to it. I don't know. I really enjoy Trello. I think it's great. Yo, Ghastly Guy, what's up, man? Welcome in. Glad to see you, buddy. Welcome back, dude. Nice to see you. It's been a while, my guy. Ghastly, my guy. But welcome in, everyone. Happy Friday. Happy August. Happy being here. Sorry again about yesterday. Life happens sometimes, you know. You gotta roll with it. But glad to be back and get working on Grüvee, baby. It's kind of cartoonish. Yeah, it's true. That's valid. It's definitely a different sort of UI set. But today we're getting back to work on our app Grüvee. Hope you're excited about that. I'm excited. Today we are going to be working on probably the iOS side for a little while. So basically the game plan is we have our native shells for iOS and for Android set up. So now let's write some React components and let's go ahead and inject those into our native shells. And we're just going to write something like super simple, like a hello world type component. And then from there, we'll go ahead and make sure that our app is running natively, but also with our React native components injected inside of them. So that's the game plan. And I believe this one, this should be pretty straightforward, I think. That's what we usually say, right? By the way, how's the music volume, guys? Is it too loud? Is it not loud enough? I think it should be pretty good. I'm excited for this one. Hell yeah, man. Glad to have you, Ghastly. Yeah, I'm excited for this too. This should be a fun one. All new fresh tech. All right. So it's cool because React Native has a guide literally to do just this. So we're just going to go through the guide and get stuff done. So first bit of code we'll write is actual React Native code for the new score screen that will be integrated into our application. Create an index.js file. First, create an empty index in the root of your React Native project. All right. So we have app.js. Obviously, this is different, right? If we were to run this React Native app on its own, we should get this here. So let's just go ahead and do the index.js. Sneak stream. Oh, holy roars. I'm getting so bad at this. Thank you for the reminder. I do have the message here. I just forgot to post it. There we go. Oh man, my bad, folks. My bad. God, what a terrible. What am I, a streamer or something? Jesus. Thanks for the reminder. I got that, and then I got my Twitter post. I gotta post there though. All right. Now we can start something here. There we go. How do you add subtasks on Trello? Like dividing a task into 3 to 4 smaller tasks? I don't believe you can add like a parent task and then subtask inside of it. Basically, you can probably create a thingy, whatever these things are called, a list for a specific task and then add your subtasks in it. That would probably work. Dude, Matt, what's up, man? Nice to see you, buddy. Welcome back. Yeah, it's been a while. How you doing? Yo, we coding? Yo, we coding. It's code time. It's like fairly simple, but we're coding right now. Promise. Promise. Anyways, so let's create this here. JS. Oh, I already have one. My bad. I did not see that at all. Cool. App registry. Is a JS entry for running all React Native apps. App root components should register themselves within app registry. Oh. Okay. I actually didn't know that. It's nice. So we got that created. It can be a small file that requires other files that are part of your React Native component or application, or it can contain all the code that is needed for it. In our case, we're just putting everything in index.js. So in your index.js, create your component. In our sample, we will add some simple text component here. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this and kind of just delete it, just to use it as like a. Oh, I see. It's already importing app. So this is import name as app name from app.json. Was that from us? No. That was. Where's app.json? I love Juicy Cottage Pope. What a damn name. Yo, Nostromo 1998. What is up? Welcome to the Pixelhawk team. Glad to have you here. Thanks for that follow, friend. I'm confused. Where's app.json here? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Name and display name. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Yo, Matt, dude, thanks for the host, man. Appreciate you, dude. Yeah, sure, Bruce. How's that? Is that better? You got rid of your man bun? Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, man, it's been a time. Okay, awesome. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for the heads up. Okay, so let's just remove this thing. Average style sheet. So if we want to bring in this stuff here, I'm just copying kind of like the example thing they gave us. Why did they import React? I get so confused by that. You're looking pretty fresh. Oh, yo, thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah, no, I think it's a good look. It's a good look. I've been debating the past couple days to like start growing it out again, but I don't know. I don't want to go through the awkward stage. Is basically my issue. I don't want to do it. hello. So let's just do hello Grüvee. So we don't need anything like that. Render content. So this props.map our score. So it creates a text. Oh, it maps our. Gotcha. Okay. So it creates multiple of these then, right? Our contents here. And then contents gets put there. Okay. Okay. You need React for your React component. Yeah, and that makes sense. I guess I keep forgetting that like React Native is built on top of React. I just would have thought they would have like implemented something differently. I don't know why, but it makes sense. It makes sense. And we won't need this since we have everything in here. Just gonna remove that as well. Yeah, thanks, Royce. Yo, your Trello board looks great, man. Nice one. Nice job. I'm a fan. 10-time dev parsing? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, so again, like this will be cool because I definitely do need to understand more React. And that's what we're gonna do. So instead of adding any of this stuff here, let's just do a return on our view. Styles container. Yes, I remember this. But I want to put this. I'm gonna put this up here. And we're gonna call this hello Grüvee. Whoa. Grüvee. So we can do flex one, justify center. Gotcha. Okay, so this styles takes the container. Center, background white. High score title. And then we can just call this then text or title. And so font size fine, margin all around, sure. And then this can be styles container. Should be title here. So container. Oh my gosh, guys! I wrote my first React component. JK, we have written React components before. You missed 2 red arrows in the photo. Oh, nice. I did. You're right. Those are good. Nice, Boki. Nice. Why is this going in index.js? This is just what the tutorial said. I know we could import our components in here, but just basically right now, I just want to test to make sure that we're properly importing our React components into our native shells. And then after that, once we start like actually building stuff, then we'll obviously create other components or other files to import into here. I mean, it just explains it right here, right? It's the starting point, and then they're just putting everything in there. It's literally just a test, Roars. It's not like I mean, we could make another file and just throw this in there and do that, but it's really, I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I don't think we need that, right? Just need this. Right, because the only other difference here is that we just do like how we had it before, import app from, and then it's what, like app, right? And then like we would just throw app in there or something like that. App.js is just a start. It's the whole like React Native, like, you know, that start screen that they have. Cool. I mean, that's it. That's all we have to do. So from there, yeah, so we register that component in there. And then RCT root view. Now your React Native component is created via index.js. You need to add that component to a new or existing view controller. The easiest path to take is optionally create an event path to your component and then add that component to an existing view controller. Okay, sounds good. We'll tie React Native component with a new native view in the view controller that will actually host it, called RCT root view. So create an event path. You can add a link on the main game menu to go to the high score React Native page. We don't need that part. And we'll now add an event handler from the menu link. A method will be added to the main view controller of your application. This is where RT root comes into play. When you build a React Native component, use React Native Packager to create an index.bundle. So you use React Native Packager to create an index bundle that will be served by the React Native server. Inside the index.bundle will be your RN high score module. So we need to point our RCT root view to the location of the index bundle. Okay, and tie it to the module. Gotcha. Yeah, but I agree, but I think just for the sake of example, like, it made sense, you know? They put a lot more logic than we did, but hey, maybe you can open a PR and be like, hey dude, or open an issue and be like, you should change your documentation to not do this here. Boom. Mad props for you right there. Okay, cool. So now we're moving over to the Swift side, iOS side. This is why you're wrong, Facebook devs. I mean, there you go. That's how you do it. The initial properties are here for illustration, so we have some idea, data or high blah blah. Okay. Oh, that's so interesting. So we literally have to point it to our index bundle like it was saying. Oh, and I need to be running in the where? Oh, that's sort of weird. Where is our? Oh, do I need to do a pod install maybe? We're supposed to have another project here. Whoa, what? The new minimal theme offers a calming, peaceful environment to which you work in. Ooh, that's cool. This is exciting. This is exciting. This is gonna be cool. It's like actually pretty damn easy, right? Like, but okay, so we should have our other project here. Oh, is it inside here? No, it should be right here at the root. Maybe we have to do a pod install. Unable to find a target named Grüvee TV OS. Did find Grüvee. Alright, let's open this pod file. We'll get a job. Oops, my bad. I swear I didn't mean to. Yeah, I mean, I'm not using that. So Grüvee TV OS, let's get out of here. Did fine. Oh. Wait a second. Ah. I always do that. All right, so this should be. Don't need that. Don't need that. So that when I first created, I didn't have those in our original project. Let's try that now. There we go. Yo, Emmanuel Paul, what is up? Thank you so much for that follow, friend. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here. Okay, so pod install was complete. Yeah, there it is. So we're looking for our workspace. That's what we were looking for. Cool. So now, when we do things like reference or import React, we should be good. Yeah, so now it actually knows what React is. Okay. What is this sorcery? What you mean? Like the pod stuff? Oh, that was pretty magical. Yeah, so basically what happens, yeah, I think when we were working on cycles, we didn't really do much of this. So right here, roars is basically like your package.json file, right? That you'd find in Node. So you list all your dependencies in here. And it basically will go through, it installs these pods or these packages. And when it does that, it actually creates this new thingy here, magical being called the XC workspace. And in the XC workspace, that's where you basically get access to all of your pods. So you'll see down here, we have all these different libraries, frameworks, developmental pods, apparently, all that stuff. And so now we get access to that, and we can build off of this. Oh, here we go. And then, yeah, I wanted to, again, we'll just grab all this, and we will come here to mess around. So we can do something just as simple here. Get some Swifty code in here. And it's just going to be a view controller. So we should return. And now we can take this and do that. And then here we can say self equals that. Like Jack in the Beanstalk. I love it. The magic of pods. Okay, so first let's turn on our server. Let's make sure that we are running on the that was really funny. Like Jack in the Beanstalk. We're running on the proper server here. Or the proper port. As it's yarn start. Yep, we're on 8081. Yep, okay. And then index.bundle platform equals iOS, which should be a dope. We don't need any mock data. And our root view is going to be this thing. Let's do a quick clean and a quick build on this. Just so our React import should be working. Yesterday I was Googling things like package manager, shells, terminals, bash, Edge, homebrew. I got some of that and I wanted to clear it today on stream and to learn with you in chat. Awesome. That's great. Yeah, those are all very important tools. And to, also is there something in that field I'm missing? I don't think so. I mean, that sounds pretty verbose there. Why did it fail? No such module called React. Well, that's interesting. React's right here, right? Maybe we need to update our settings here. Yeah, that should be good though. I'm trying to build again. Was the pod file generated? Yeah. Yeah, it's right here. No such module React. Yeah. Because like I've seen this happen before, and sometimes you just need to build the project. But this is, we're building it and it can't find the module. Which is very interesting. Oh, and this is even... Let's do a quick Google search. Interesting. This is for something else. So I'm not sure why this is happening, but one way to solve your issue is to go into your build settings and defining the framework search path to a folder which contains the frameworks in question. Oh, maybe that's it. If the frameworks are placed in your project directory, simply set the frameworks. So build settings, maybe? We can try looking at that. Yo, Balonix, what's up, dude? Welcome in. Okay, so pod file directory path. Pods, pod file directory path. So it's development, Grüvee, iOS. Yeah, they're right in here. It's exactly where it should be. Oh, but you know what's really interesting? Is that these actually... Yeah, pod's root is here, but we don't have like a... Oh, target support files? There like, isn't a React one in here. Hey, no worries, man. We're, so we created a small React component, and now I'm trying to link it into Swift. But I'm getting a no such module found for React. And I don't know why. Yeah, because I would think... I would think that in our pods it should point there, or it should point to the node modules here. Is the relative path to node modules, right? So yes, relative path is to the node modules. Maybe our node modules aren't. Yeah, because okay, so we're in Grüvee. Wait. This is okay. This is the iOS folder. So one folder out would be Grüvee, which our node modules are right here, and then it should point to React Native, right? Which it does. It should be in there. And then our path in here was pointing to... Why is there a dot after this thing? Clear the build and run again? Yeah, I tried that a couple times. Let me try restarting Xcode maybe. Because it looks, I mean, it looks pretty solid. I don't see anything wrong there, but let's try that again. And then let's run pod install again. Cause look, it's even fetching pod spec for React, and it finds it. Which is really interesting. But maybe a quick restart. No, I was gonna be like, oh, did that really just work? I'm running a quick build on it again. See what happens. No, yeah, still failed. This is weird. Let's keep consulting Google then, maybe. Yes, they talk about the build settings. But build setting, frameworks, search path. I'm gonna try something weird. I don't get why there's a dot after that, so I'm just gonna do that and see if that possibly is something weird. I don't know, but worth a try. I was thinking maybe it's just like, you know, that directory, but that usually, like, it's not usually like that. Yeah, I wonder if there's like a... I wonder if there's a certain way that the iOS project is set up in React Native that handles all that. Because remember, we did a init of this project and then deleted the one that it came with and just replaced it with this pretty much. But it's building. It's so weird. And I'm like, did I spell it right? Yeah. So I'm wondering if we should... do another React Native init and compare the two projects to see if what there may be like a difference in how it's linking. I think there might be. Let's do that. I think that'll be a cool test for us to take a look at anyways. So let's go here, CD to the desktop. And then let's just do, it's what, React Native create or something. What is React Native? I forgot what the command was. React Native. React Native, what are you? What was the command? I forgot. Oh, just init. Okay. I guess that works too. React Native init test. My bad. All right. So essentially, again, we're going to go ahead. We're knitting a new React Native project. We're going to go to the iOS project that it comes with. And we're going to see what happens. Because there's nothing that's talked about here. That seems to point us anywhere. Yo, what's up, Flav? You do has a beard? Yes, I have a beard. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter. It just depends on the day, you know? What? ESLint. Oh, ESLint. That's fine. I don't give a shit about that. All right, so let's go here. iOS. Our pod file is there. Let's go into the iOS folder itself here. Oops. Oh my gosh, I was looking for my Windows key bindings to do something. Oh my god. That's when you know things are changing. All right, so then we'll do a pod install. So we went to the iOS project. We're going to pod install. Yo, DJ Design, what is up? Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Sometimes you wear it on top of your head instead of bottom. My beard? Yeah, dude. Maybe one day if it gets long enough, I'll totally do that. Totally. First thing things are, and then what they're used for. Essay incoming shortly. Boki, why don't you throw that in Discord, man? It'll be easier for everyone to give their opinions on, you know? Oh, this is... Oh. This is not in Swift. This is all in Objective-C. Was there something? iOS. Oh. Oh. That's why we deleted it. Wookie. Yeah. Delete it. Jameis said it's bad. Wait, what'd you delete? Oh, your story? Wait, what? Confused. What's up, stacking? What's up, dude? Yeah, this is Swift, man. This is Objective-C. Now I'm quite curious. But if we look at our pods, I guess in general, the pods framework looks set up the same. And if we go over to our build settings, I should have named this something other than test. No, yeah, same directory paths. They do have the dot there, though. So let's actually bring that back. But if I go over to my tests, main, dude, I don't know how to do this. Just react.h. I don't know. I don't know how to write Objective-C. That's okay, Royce. Roars, I told Boki to post it in Discord since it's gonna be a lot, you know. Yeah, that's true. Oh, gotcha. Like if I go over here. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I'm like, how do you do this thing? So if I build that, it looks like it's not having any issues either, which is cool. Oh, you think so? Yeah, but they have a specific pod for that. Like at least in their instructions here, right? So if we're using Swift, they say to just do a regular import, but maybe we should try it like that. Yeah, that's a good call. Yeah. It looks like it might be there. It's just weird. Build succeeded. Let's give it a try. Can we do something like that though? Where you do React, or don't we need to have a header file for that, right? Like, isn't that what would need to happen at this point? Maybe we just need to do another pod install. Like, should we look at compare the pod files here? Something's not right. Like, there's something off right now. Something's definitely wrong here. So we have our pods, our pod file. Let's see. The only thing I can think of that I'm missing is I deleted those things earlier on. So like this is the one from our generated one, and this is our new one. I'm going to guess the problems between the keyboard and chair. Jesus. Damn. A freaking savage, bro. Because the only thing I deleted here was, yeah, same modules there. Target, Grüvee, do. And then still all pointing to the node module section. How come you don't leave stream for a second? What do you mean? And then, so again, the only thing we deleted here was our tests, and then our target down here. Oh, balls. What happened? Why you do this to me? Use native modules. I don't know what this is, but I'm assuming something else. Oh, stamina's high in me? Dude, I'm just excited. I want this to work. It's such a simple thing. I don't understand why it's not working. So it's... Gotta do it. And I only stream for a couple hours. Yo, what's up, Evgen? Welcome in, man. Yeah, it's what other differences could there be right now, right? Other than that. So we looked at the pod file. Pod files match up. Maybe we should just do a pod install again. Right? Like, maybe that's what we need to end up doing. Curious if, like, you would think something like that, right? It's not a module, though, just be React. Yeah, let's try closing out of Xcode. Oh no, Ebgen, were you sick? Poor little guy. And if we go back to Grüvee, iOS, right? In our iTerm here. Oh yeah, I forgot we already had it right here. Right? Or what's the pod like cache clearing stuff? Clear all pod cache and re-download. I always forget what the command is. No, but I was fixing something on up here. One of the big grocery stores in Norway wants to try it over the weekend. Oh, nice, dude. Yeah, well, thanks, man. Yeah, thanks for coming in. I hope your stuff's going well. So pod, this is from 2015, so this probably is in there already. Pod cache clean. Should we try that? And then we do a pod update. Sounds about right. Oh, remove the cache for given pod or clear the cache completely. Yeah, let's do all. Oh, I forgot // a //. Okay, apparently we're good there, which is good. And now our cache is cleared. Let's just try doing a pod update. You never know. Let's see. Maybe we need to pull latest. I don't know. This would be like the one problem we run into. It's like everything's cool, everything's going smooth, and then bah, dead in the water. Unless I need to do a platform of iOS 9. That's the only difference I can see on these pod files. I guess I like, I don't know. I could maybe see why that would be a thing, but not really. I don't know. I'm not really sure. So you guys got planned for the weekend or what? What's going on? What's going on this weekend with everyone? Yeah, look, React is right here. It's Pride Weekend in Amsterdam? Oh, sweet. That should be a good time. I'm trying really hard to think of a good joke about magic pods. It's not equal Jack in this beanstalk. Oh, shit. So I wonder if this could possibly be an issue. Overrides a pod file dir path. Build setting defined in pod's target. But that, I think that's okay. That's what we're looking for. So let's go back over to our project then. Our Grüvee project. Go to iOS. Go to our workspace. See if that made a difference. Bro, there's not even anything here, man. What do you mean? What you talking about? Okay, I'm doing a clean. I'm going to do a build. And then I will import React. And let's see if we got it going here. This will fail, obviously. Oh, we don't need this. And our module name is not RN high scores. It would be whatever our React component was. Don't remember what we called it. I think it was just like hello Grüvee or something like that. Whoa. Okay, cool. So it did fail. Hello, Grüvee. Let's comment this stuff out real quick. And now let's import React. Let's see if we got it running this time. Don't know. It failed. It said what the actual F is going on here. Ma'ams and sirs. Oh man. Okay, so the only other thing I can think of trying right now would be changing our platform to 9. Like I don't know, maybe, but kind of at a loss for words right now. Not sure what the deal is. I'm gonna try the clean cache thing again. Oh, or we can try this pod clean. So it'll actually remove all that, which might be good. Get just like a fresh start at it. Okay, cool. And then we can do pod install. Fetching pod spec. So it does, it's doing it, right? And then installing React. So like what the actual F, man? Installing React core. Oh, did I just fuck it up? We can do this, right? We got this, friends. All the tutorials I can find say you need to import React RCT bridge module. Okay. Maybe that's it. That's so weird. Then how come that's not... Unless I missed that. Target overrides firmware. Oh. Oh, maybe I missed this whole part here. All right, hold up. I didn't miss, like, we did this, right? Thanks for that, Stacking. Appreciate that, dude. Yo, Nichols, what's up, man? Welcome back. If this fails with errors mentioning XE run, that's not true. So if you get a warning such the Swift blot debug target overrides, yes, we do get that. This can lead to problems with CocoaPod installation. Then make sure the framework search paths and the build settings for both debug and release only contain inherited. It's not there. So let's do that. Framework search paths and build settings. That could totally be it. So let's try this one more time. Yeah, it might have changed. We are using 60. But yeah, I appreciate that. Caparino. Hey, welcome in, friend. No, it looked for framework search paths. Oh, that's targets. framework? So where's my framework search path? Here we go. Inherited, okay. And then did it also say debug and release? Got it. All right, let's try that. Are you developing a mobile app? Yes, I am. We're developing a social music playlist platform. Yeah, you can feel free to take a look at the tasks we're working on right now over here on our Trello board. But yeah, that UI was not great looking at all. Oh, the adding like the search paths and stuff. Yeah, it's this stuff is super shit most of the time. Okay, so let's do a clean. I'm gonna restart Xcode. And then we'll go back to our workspace project here. And let's hope we get it import React. That would be cool. Succeeded. Oh. Succeeded. Oh. Feels so bad. I don't know if that search path we're gonna have to do another pod install. We might have to. Man, the excitement in my voice was so real at that moment. Typical developer reactions. So much excitement. So this is the other thing. Your node modules directory is probably in the root of your project, but if not, adjust the path accordingly. So like they import React here with this path and they pass in this thing. Cause like, yeah, like it's literally right there. And then we have the sub specs. This is interesting how this works here. And this is what we were talking about the other day, right? So instead of bringing in all this shit, we only brought in React and then some of the internals. So target, Grüvee. I'm gonna try this again. I'm interested to see what happens here. And then we'll do the, does this have use native modules? It doesn't. So let's also take that out. We're going to do this. The whole stream will be getting this one freaking module to pop up. Love it. That's how, like, this would not be a Pixologic Dev stream if we didn't spend the whole stream working on trying to get one module to pop up, right? Can I get a heck yeah? Can I get a heck yeah? Oh shit. Okay, so we're in iOS. We'll do pod clean. That should remove everything. Yep. We're going rogue. Hack, hack, hack. Yes, we are. We're going super rogue. So we do a pod clean. Then we'll do a pod install again. None of your spec sources contain a spec satisfying dependency React core from Node Modules React Native. Well, that's no fun. Oh. 1. So platform use frameworks. Alec is losing it. He's rocking back and forth. Someone break out the strong coffee. Please help. Please send help. Like, and it doesn't have any of this shit. It's so interesting. Yeah, so it fetched React, but React Core. Just hard copy paste it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I didn't want to, but probably that's what we got to do. Okay, so we do that, and then this here could just be called Grüvee. And then again, let's just triple check. We are, oh, it's in our root, right? So we have Grüvee is our root here, and node modules is right there, right? We're not going insane. So if we are in iOS directory, we back out one directory, and node modules is right there. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Sharkbait? Welcome in. Do a pod clean again. What's in the React Native folder in node modules? I believe it has it should have all our stuff, I'm assuming, but I'm not entirely sure. Let's take a look-see. React, Android, React. Oh, it has actual React. Yeah, so this, I'm assuming this is the pod itself. His will to live. We must do this. Yeah, apparently React Core is not in here. Node modules, React Native. Do you think the future of mobile apps is web apps, React? I see a lot of people leaving native app development. I think it's a fine line. I think the reason why a lot of people are doing web stuff like this is because they already know web development. So it's easier to pick that up than having to learn a whole new language, a whole new architecture, a whole new framework, right? And also the fact that all this stuff is reusable across multiple platforms, so you don't have to maintain like 5 different code bases for each different platform you have. So I think it definitely has its benefits, and it's really hot right now, but it always depends on what you're building. Always depends on that. Bro. Easiest way pod files by running CocoaPod's init command inside iOS subfolder. We should just try that. We should do a pod clean. And we should do a pod init again. Oh, look at all these pod specs in here. Oh, sorry, no, this isn't the project we're in. Never mind, I was be like, what? iOS. Let's take this guy out. Trash you, bro. Take a look at the React pod spec. Okay. Where are you at? Dependencies, React Core. Yeah, so I mean, it obviously is looking for React Core and it brings in all this stuff with it. I mean, that looks pretty standard, right? There's nothing out of the ordinary there. But it does use React Core as a dependency, so... Okay, so let's do a pod init in here. Right? So we init that guy. Yeah, I'm not sure. Right? Okay, so we have this here. Starting from scratch. So we did that. Boom. So we go over here. Where are you at? Let's go in here. Copy paste it. Grüvee 2048. No. Do that here. That looks good. Just do pod install. Right? That's so weird, dude. Oh, apparently I already look at this? What? Oh, so create pod files similar to this, right? npm install cd ios and pod install. In version find this work expected and the pod install did not fail. Now we're doing this, okay? Pod file is wrong. See template iOS pod file. Not only we should change projects pod file, but it's also third-party deps also should update there. The pod spec file contained dependency React should change dependency React core. Oh, gotcha. So this was what they were looking at before. So they just haven't updated their docs yet. Because this is what we originally had, right? So it was like... Okay, so first let's start with this. Or no. Wait, what? No, that's fine. It's not only should we change the project pod file, but also the third-party deps also should update their repos. The pod spec file that contains estimated React core should change to S dependency React core. Okay, so that's what we needed. I read the wrong line. Where can I find the spec? Update your docs, dummy. Yeah, I like the dependencies and array as well, for sure. Yo, what's up, Trill Search? Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you. Glad that you're here. You've joined at a good time, I hope. But where the heck is this pod spec? the project's pod file, but also the third-party deps also should update their repos. .pod spec. So it should be line 13 by React Core. I like them in a map myself. Hey, yo. Yeah, but the... Oh, was it this? No, because this is talking about the S dependency. So we were... A second ago, we were looking at this. So it should be this. But if I do... This should have already been updated then, because this is updated in here. But where does this pod spec file live? Yeah, all of them have been updated to React Core. But do you think you're saying we need to change it like that maybe? Let's read down a little more here. Oh, it's in the node modules. Gotcha. Oh, okay. I'm just making uneducated guesses. No. Okay, so if we go... Yeah, that makes sense. I'm a dummy. So we go here, go to node modules, React Native. Wait a minute. Where is this thing? React Core pod spec. So it looks like that's updated there. React pod spec? Yeah, I think that's the one we're looking for. This one. Yes, thank you. Thank you. They have React Core here though. So React Core is updated. React Native keep call. That's what we did. Yeah, but you're right. But the problem is it breaks on core. Right? Like if we did this again, it says we can't find React core. So that's what I'm confused about. Like it's breaking on this first one here. React.podspect. I mean, this was updated 8 days ago. So like, should I just maybe copy pasta this guy? Maybe there's something I'm not seeing here. Because I do think this is the updated version of that. It's breaking in your pod file. It's not a subspec. Yeah, it's breaking here. I believe that's where it's breaking. Check your packages. npm outdated. Oh, maybe. Maybe so. Breaking right here. Oh, and the subspecs you're saying. Right. Okay. Okay, so let's go with what Roars is saying as well. So let's cd in here. This is our node modules. So we just do like a npm update or something, or what? Like 4 plus 0 in chat, we are all just batching on the keyboard at this point. It is. You're so right. This is literally what it is. Check if any are outdated. I didn't know if there was an actual command. There are a couple, but those don't look like to be anything important. We have to update your pod file to match the new format first. Yeah. Is it because of the subspecs? That's what we're talking about here, right? So like, instead of it being a subspec, should it just be like, It was one of the first comments on the issue. Yeah, it was Is this one? Oh, gotcha. This one. This is the one we had originally. We were still getting the same shit. Yeah, we had this one originally. Guess I'm always down to try it again though. Yeah, there's like the React core stuff. Cool, looks good. Yeah, that makes sense. I get you. I get you. Alright. Let's try this again. CD iOS. Let's do a pod clean. So we clean it all up. Is Xcode open at all? It is not. And then we're going to do a pod init. Oh, let me remove the pod file as well. I don't think that matters too much, but let's just get it out of here. Then we'll do a pod init on this guy again. Oh, I'm such... Why did I do that? I need the pod file. I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I'm going a little crazy right now. My bad, my bad. My bad. Holy shit. Okay. Now let's do this again. My bad. I don't want to talk about it, all right? I don't want to talk about it. Oh, Jesus, Lees. Was rolled to 6.4, which depends on React Core 64. So do I need to... Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say, let's just remove it. Cool. Let's do that. Let's try again. RGC WebSocket. It's fine. I removed it. What? Is there a WebSocket somewhere else? No, it's just that. It's for live reload? Yeah, it's for debugging. I remember. Oh, but it's required, is basically what it's saying, right? I think I just need to update because I'm running on React Native 60 on 60, I believe. Can I React Native -v? Oh. So I just need to probably update. Yeah, core RCT WebSocket. Alright. Update React Native version. Oh, you really just done with upgrade command. So React Native upgrade. Let's just try it. Make sure we're on the latest. What? Oh, inside a React Native project. Got it. 60.4 is already installed node module and satisfies 60.4. What? What? What the fuck, man? What do you mean? Why is this a thing right now? Okay. So again, in our pod file, we do pod install. Oh, maybe it's just we need to do a pod repo update? It's gonna update all my stuff. Oh, Logmoji, you got any updates? Nah, you got nothing. Makes me feel dumb as a dev. Well, so here's the thing. I've always thought about this. Like, this stuff is... I mean, it's pretty intense, right? Like, all these things rely on each other. So if one part of the chain breaks, everything's going to break. And the hardest part is just debugging it and figuring out where the root cause is. So I think we're doing good. I think we're figuring it out. It kind of sucks that it literally took the entire stream, but we'll get it. I know we will. Yo, Caparino GR, thank you so much for the follow, friend. Glad to have you here. Thank you for coming by. Thanks for being a part of the Pixologic team. People say imposter syndrome isn't real. Yeah. Is it like the third time? No, that's the first time. First time. None of your spec sources contains a spec satisfying the dependency React Core RCT WebSocket. So maybe we should go look at that spec then and see what's going on, because it's saying in pod file React Native. So let's go to node modules. React Native, and we open up where's React pod spec? Move this over here. RCT WebSocket. So again, the only thing I changed here was... No, but I changed that back. Debugging equals searching Stack Overflow. Valid. Valid. Which depends on React Core RCT. So React was resolved to 60.4. Which depends on React Core website. None of your spec sources contain spec satisfying dependency React Core 60.4. Is there just like a pod update? I wonder if CocoaPod's version 1. Is greater than or equal to 1.2. So yeah, that's fine because it's 1.0 unless. Can I do like a pod V or something? I see why. Whoa, tell me. What do you see? What do we not see and you see? Yeah, 153. Okay. Source tag version? In React PodSpec, it looks for React Core RTC WebSockets. React Core RTC. Yep. Right? But you have it as React RCT WebSockets or something. Oh. Oh, is it a naming convention thing, you think? React-core RCT WebSocket. Basically missing core. But so you're saying here? Basically missing core. React RCT WebSockets, yeah. But none of these have that at all. That's yeah, but you're right, because it does show up here as a dependency like that. Yeah, you're right. It is the only one named like that. So should we just do like React Core like that? Maybe that should work. Good catch, Evgen. That was actually a really good catch. Vikus. What's up, man? Welcome in. I have no idea. We're about to find out. There are multiple dependencies with different sources for React Core and pod file. React Core. And then this one. God damn it, I keep doing that. Yeah, no, I mean that's a good catch. But that it points to, I mean, like, should we man, what the heck, dude? Maybe we should go into React Core? Let's look at the React Core pod spec. The core of React Native. Can you check the WebSockets are in that library? Yeah. So like, yeah, it should be React Core, RCT WebSockets. So we have this CXX bridge, CXS module. Yeah, so but that's the thing, React Core should be this, right? And then RCT WebSocket should be right in here. Oh, here we go. RCT, is there WebSockets in here? No, at least not in here. Yeah, no, it should be in here. Hey, Isaac, what's up, man? This is from Master? Okay. React Core / RTC WebSocket. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we wrote. And this was updated 8 days ago. Okay, so we should probably use that, and I do see that there. Cool, thanks for that, Evgen. Let me go to React Native then. I gotta do it on my other computer. Wait, what? Where's that? That's odd. React Native, oh, template. So weird, dude. But yeah, let's try this out. Hopefully this one works. She replaced you in tutoring? Yo, good. Roars is the real MVP. Evgen's the real MVP. We got a good squad here, I think. We got a good squad. Interesting. So these things changed. And then they added a couple other things. Stacking has his days. We can't forget stacking, of course. Got you, dude. You have your days. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Nope. Get out. Get out. Just commenting out the ones that aren't gonna work. RCT required. Like, these are all these new ones. Jesus, dude. I want to cry. Alex, squad goals are better than Taste Waste. Hey, yo. Taste Waste, what's up? Oh my god, dude, this is so annoying. I'm slightly dying slowly inside. Slightly just death is knocking on my brain. Yo, Ray Swans, what's up, man? Thank you so much for that follow. Glad to have you here. Welcome to the Pixologic team, where we don't know how to debug pod files. Welcome. I don't understand. I really do not understand. It's like, this is the biggest thing we were looking for, right? Maybe we just do that because it was a different module. At the same time, downgrade to 60. Yeah, right? Nothing works, yeah. I'm so confused by this. Trash. Realistic development. If you want realistic development, come to the Pixologic dev stream. You will find that we work on one file for 6-7 hours. And I promise you, the journey is long, but the reward is very fulfilling. Almost dead from today's heat wave. Alive just enough to say hi. Thanks, dude. Sorry that it's hot over there. We're almost dead here, too. We're slowly dying inside. But it's gonna be okay. How can we downgrade? I've never done that. Downgrade React Native version? Apparently it's a good Google search. Oh, just update the dependency? Is that really all I have to do? Just upgrade with specific version? You must be dying from bad code. I'm just dead inside. Slightly and utterly dead. But it's okay. Life will go on, and I won't feel dead inside for too much longer. JK. Alright, let's go here. Visual Studio Kid. Get the F out of here. Alright, we don't want you anymore. Let's probably do 0. And then we can CD back one. Yarn. Stop. Here we go. Revert into 60. It's pods going to my life as a future iOS dev. Pods are definitely awesome, but damn, this has been quite frustrating. And I've never had any issues with pods. I think it's, I don't know, maybe it's the versioning that's been shit or something, right? And then remove the core from the pod file again. Wait, what? Oh, wasn't that, hold up. That was talking about, this was in 60 though, upgrading to 60. So not keeping that. Oh, React RCT. Oh, so go back to this then. Gotcha. Yeah. Let's just double check our React version real quick. Cool. We are in 60. I'm praying right now. Please work. Here we go. Oh my god, I don't even want to do it, man. Do I have to? npm, no. Pod. Alright, enter. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh my god! Come on, baby. Give me the green light. Come on. Booyah, bitches. Booyah. Booyah. But now let's not get too excited. Wait for Xcode, exactly. But we're through one. We're through one part. So now let's go to Xcode. Let me close out of this BS here. Let's open up the code. Oh shit. All right. Xcode, come on, baby. Show me the love. Show me the love. I'm just going to write it out again because why not? Do a clean on that guy. Oh, shit. Okay, let's double check the path thingy. what was it? It was inherited. Search path. Okay, it's already there. Awesome. All right, now we'll do a build. Since I joined, I need to clear things out. Did you just spend a reasonable amount of time battling package.json? Not package.json, but basically Swift's equivalent. Cocoa Pods is what it's called. It's been a hell of a journey. But I don't even know, man. It's not looking very promising right now. It still can't find our React module here. I'm so fucking confused by it. It's not like they would do something like that. Damn, man. Dude, I don't know. Yeah, like it just doesn't want to find the module for some reason. Wow. Back to the drawing board pretty much. At least we got it to find the proper pods, but now it's... But this is interesting to me. The Grüvee target overrides a pod file. Right? Build setting, define in pods, target support files, pod, debug, xconfig. This can lead to problems with the CocoaPod installation. Wonder if I'm changing the wrong build settings, maybe? Let's try it again. I'm trying not to laugh or cry. Oh shit, man. Maybe I need to do it in here as well. I mean, that looks right. It's there. Oh, I'm trying not to cry. This is a good time. We're getting there. Because look, it sets up all the linking already. Like, it links React Core and everything. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Yo, Shelp SCT. SC2. Sorry, my bad. What's up? Thank you so much for the host, man. Man, I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't talked to you. How you doing? Yo, yo, yo. Welcome in. Showing us he is. Dude, thank you for that host, man. I really appreciate that. Awesome. Glad to see you're doing well. Should we drop it and go to setting up Android? No, I have to do this. I gotta do this. Oh. Oh. Nightbot, you naughty bot, you. Been streaming the last 5 days every afternoon. That's awesome, man. How have the streams been going? What are you doing these days? Ooh, holidays is nice. Think we're gonna need a holiday after this stream. Bruh. You right? You right? I gotta do this, man. I gotta figure this out. This is driving me nutty. I'm happy with our name choice, but maybe you're right. Maybe it is karma. Still doing Kotlin and Vue web app. Very cool. How are you liking Kotlin? Is it any good? Yes, thank you for fixing that, Roars. Yeah, everyone, let's go check out Shelp. Ooh, that's awesome, man. That sounds like a lot of fun. What if I took out this use native modules thing? That would be okay, right? No one would ever know except us. No one would ever know. I don't know why I'm still getting this warning though. It makes me feel like it's not actually saved. Right? Because it specifically says over here, if you get this warning, this can lead to problems. Okay, then make sure the framework search paths and build settings for both debug and release only contain inherited. So like, why? Don't you need to use frameworks for Swift anymore? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe it's worth a try. But that's what I'm saying. It makes me feel like this is... These search path shits are fucked. God, I'm cursing so much today. I'm so sorry. Oh, man. Yeah, but maybe let's try that. Yeah. Oh my God. So I think we should remove this maybe. Let's try that. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but worth a try. Let's build it. Could not build Objective-C module React. Ooh, that's good. That's a new freaking message, folks. Holy moly. Maybe that was it. So we need to use both then. Is that it? Do we need to use both? Holy crap. Yeah, very interesting for sure. Okay. Okay. Damn it. Damn it. Let's do a clean. Hold up. Let's do a clean. Make sure it registers a change. We'll do a build. Now it's back to no such module. Oh. Oh my God, my heart just dropped. Wait. No. No, please. Please come back. Please. Please come back. What the actual frick? It's indexing. Come on, Xcode. Don't fail me like this. This seems counterintuitive to use native modules and then frameworks. Dude, I think I'm like legit going crazy right now. I feel insane. Oh my God, I feel absolutely insane right now. What the freak, man? Okay. What if we did something insane like this? Boom. Boom. What are you gonna do about it? What are the recommended these build settings? Okay, perform changes, sure. Here's our React core as well. Like, so that's there, dude. Do a clean. Do a build. Yeah, it actually doesn't find any of these things. So if we do this, just use frameworks at the end here. The startup I excitedly applied for today emailed me back already. Yo, that's awesome, Royce. What type of startup? Sounds fun. Sounds like a good time. This is interesting that changes. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do that. It's interesting because our React core is here. And our pods. Damn, man. This is... Oh, man. This is crazy. This is insane. Unless it's like React Core. I don't know, dude. This kind of sucks. I'll let you know more details about murderous against bots. Sounds good. Sounds good. Oh, man. Why you do this? Why you do this? What did I ever do to you? What did I ever do to you? Oh, man. Examples from 2016? Yeah, but this is running on 60. I guess they didn't update their docs. Oh, I can edit? I can edit this? Damn, dude. All right, let's try one more thing because I do have to go. Such model React Core. Oh, I want React, not React Core. Yeah, it's just a lot of people come up with just these generic ones. There's not really one specifically. People are telling you to? Yeah, it seems like seems pretty dope. It's definitely have some issues. Let's try maybe this source root. I don't know. Other people are saying to use that. Maybe the docs aren't updated properly for that, right? So let's do that. Worth a try, I guess. Right? Let's do a clean. Did that update here properly? Clean, and let's do a build. I asked a friend about this, and he says you should try to delete the derived data and clean the build, run it again. But I don't know, not sure. This has happened to me a couple times, and usually doing like close out of Xcode, clean the build, and then building it usually works. So I'm confused by that. Yeah, but it looks like it might come up with the same dealio here. Yeah. I don't know. Damn. Well, kind of sucks to leave on this note, considering that I thought we were gonna be able to do a lot more than this. But I guess that's just the guess it's just the lay of the land, unfortunately. But I hope to solve this soon. I have a feeling that I might try again later today. Maybe I can consult some other people. It's interesting because the thanks, Evgen, I appreciate it, dude. Here's the thing: when you do React Native init, it actually builds it in Objective-C. I didn't see any flags to like build a Swift project, so I'm interested to see what it is. That was one of the first things we did, is we compared the pod files with each other. And yeah, no, it was just no issues at all. It worked fine. So I'm wondering if it's maybe some Objective-C header that's missing or something like that. It's just Swift's not liking it. But appreciate all your help today, man. Everyone, thanks for your help. Thanks for coming by. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Hope you're having a great Friday. If you haven't yet, give the channel a follow. Would love to have you back here. We're here Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. PST and 12:30 p.m. UTC. Would love to have you back. So get notified. Join our Discord. A lot of people in here in chat are part of the Discord, and we have some really fun times over there. The memes, the chats, all the good stuff. So thanks for being here, friends. At the end of every stream, though, we always love to throw a raid. It's raid time. So if you are a sub, go ahead and grab that first message, Adalan, rip the bun. If you're not, don't worry, grab that Twitch raid, rip the bun message. Let's see what programming streamers are out there in the world of Twitch today. See if we can find some coolness going on. Maybe our boy. Yeah. This looks like fun. Let's show some love. Everyone stick around for the raid. Thank you again for coming by again today. Sorry for the issues, man. It's frustrating, but I think it's kind of like, I don't want to say refreshing, but I think it's very interesting because this is how like developing really works, right? It's, yeah, exactly, programmer life. Like this is the real deal. Like this shit happens, and that's okay. And when you're in a real environment like this, you have to ask people, and like chat helps out. Like you guys, the real environment, you know. So I think it's a good learnings for everyone all around. But we're gonna figure it out, I promise. And join the Discord so you know when we figure it out. If not, have a great weekend, everyone. See you all here on Monday. And thanks again for coming by. Enjoy the raid. See ya.